Hi guys, welcome back to IFX Academy's daily analysis on pound USD. So guys, we were selling this on Friday, guys. We've hit both of our targets. So the question remains, guys, what are we going to do today? Today, guys, the picture is very clear, guys. We're overall in a bearish trend, but we are getting some kind of consolidation here at the support area. So guys, for today, what I expect, I just have to go down to the 15-minute. Still a bearish consolidation. So guys, as long as the price is above 1.3420, guys, I keep on buying this just for a correction phase, and my two targets are, first one is 1.34387, next one is 1.34491. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow. And guys, if you break below 1.34145, guys, we will be going lower, which would lead it to our target at 1.34017. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow.